Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Abdullah Rahmat Prastomo with NPM 2441161. Class Management 24A. Financial institution, banks, and non-bank. Financial institution. Understanding the evolving landscape of global finance and the critical roles of traditional banks and emerging non-bank institutions in today's interconnected financial ecosystem. What are bank versus non-bank financial institutions? Traditional banks from the cornerstone of the financial system, accessing to deposit from customer and providing loans to business and individuals. They have direct access to central bank liquidity facilities and benefit from deposit insurance protection, creating a safety net for depositors. Non-bank financial institution (NBFIs). NBFIs provide essential credit, investment, and market services without taking deposit or maintaining central bank accounts. This category encompasses private credit funds, insurance companies, pension funds, fintech leaders, investment funds, and mortgage companies. The risk of non-bank finance or megatrends: 15%. Global financial assets. Non-banks now control nearly half of all global financial assets, from 43% in 2000X. 48% of U.S. passive investments growth in passive investment funds from 19% in 2010 to nearly half of assets under management. Credit provisions. NBFIs provides essential credit to mid-sized business, consumers, and governments, often filling critical gaps that traditional banks avoid due to regulatory constraints of risk appetite. Vintage innovations. Technology enables smaller, more diverse loan portfolios, from mobile money service in Kenya to buy now pay later platforms transforming consumer finance globally. Growing interconnected banks and non-banks. 10% bank loan exposure. Percentage of total bank loans extends to non-bank financial institutions. $1.14 trillion total NBFI lending. U.S. bank loans to NBFIs in Q1 2025. The financial landscape has evolved into a complex web of relationships where NBFIs increasingly rely on bank credit lines for their operations. This creates sophisticated, multi-layered financial intermediation chains that extend credit rates but also introduce new transmission channels for risks. Mortgage companies originate and service residential and commercial mortgages. Private credit funds, providing alternative financial to business outside traditional banking. Business and consumer intermediaries facilitate lending and investment between parties. Emerging risks and financial stability challenges. Like shared regulation, non-banks operates under significantly less stringent regulatory frameworks compared to traditional banks, with a limited transparency, recruitment, and oversight mechanism. Stress transmission can stress tests reveal that stocks originating in the MBB sector can rapidly cascade through the financial system, quickly impacting banks' capital adequacy and liquidity positions. Leverage concurs. The rapid expansion of non-bank lending raised significant concerns about hidden leverage, systemic risk accumulation, and potential vulnerabilities during market stress periods. Regulatory response. International bodies including the FSB and the IMF recommend enhanced monitoring frameworks, comprehensive stress testing, and strengthened cross-border regulatory cooperation. Navigating a new financial landscape, once transformation in progress, non-bank financial institutions are fundamentally reshaping how credit inflows and investments are structured across the global economy, to innovation with vigilance. Their growth, the very valuable innovation, and expanded financial access would require subscale risk management and continuous monitoring. Number three, regulatory evaluations. Strengthening regulatory frameworks and improving data transparency are essential to safeguard financial stability in this new era. And last, number four, collaborating future. The future of finance depends on balanced cooperation between banks, non-banks, and regulators working together to foster innovation while managing systemic risks.